What up, guys? Do Type. We back with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be reacting to MGK, Chip Off the Block. So without further ado, let's get it.
Where y'all from?
Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh yeah? Oh man.
Hold up. I don't think y'all know what's going on right now. I got MGK in the booth. He about to go in. MGK on the black clip and light this bitch up. Let's go.
Whoever would have thought that another motherfucker from the land when I came up, I made them stacks. Never was warm in the city, so I had to get on the record and come blaze these tracks. And I'm all around haters every day, but I guess that's just what fame attracts. But fuck that, where the buck's at, man, I need the green on my back's like Applejack. Matter of fact, see me in the ride so foreign you can't understand. 6 feet hitting 60s, and with the 3, so come catch me if you can. Speaking Ebonics, give a fuck what Mr. Webster said. Let a smart girl read my dictionary, I call that Miss Webster head.
Fuck you.
Man, I gotta get it when I'm gonna get it. How I gotta get it, man, whenever I'ma do, I'll keep that. Every moment I want it, cause every day I be grinding. So when you wanna make a move, I'll get there. Chip off the block, my store in the booth, taking off the lock and put the shit back on when I'm on the top. So I got the game cuffed up like the cops. And now fuck with them, but the Eastside Jack got love for them. Anybody wanna hate on me, they get on my level, but you will never ever, so I got scrubs for them. Yeah, and I'm from the city where all the good die young and the old don't make it. So we just hanging in the middle ground, ready for whatever, boy, don't mistake it. Bitch, I'm from Cleveland, bet they know what we claim. Cause we wildin' motherfuckers, EST is the game, bitch.
MGK, you killing them right now. You killing them. ESC is the movement. Get with it and get lost. MGK, you ready to go in? Let's load up another one of them clips, boy. Let's go.
Whoever would have guessed that a little white boy of the Midwest would have did fucking numbers. Everybody used to talk down, now the whole world wanna but fucking commerce. We the new team, EST, line full of hoes out to the VIP. Everybody know I'm number 23 when I'm on the court ballin' MVP. Bitch, let me take a little sip of the vitamin water and a little bit of the cushy and I'm good. Chillin' up in the clouds, you wanna fuck my day up, man. Always so good. Bitch, I'm the man, no longer the kid. Must be the reason why all these grown folks on my dick.
You know.
Get off my ball sack, y'all making my draw sag. Tall sacks, walk up in that bitch like give me all that. I never had nothing, so what else you think a little kid with a dream gon' do? Bro, without a budget, folks on my dick.
You know.
Get off my ball sack, y'all making my draw sag. Tall sacks, walk up in that bitch like give me all that. I never had nothing, so what else you think a little kid with a dream gon' do? Bro, without a budget, like fuck it, the middle finger crew. Real people love me, the jealous try and degrade my name. Y'all must have lost your fucking melons, boy, I am the game.
Are you serious?
Shit.
You think MGK don't run this shit? MGK twisted up for him. Let go.
They should've never let me get in the building with a stereo, a pen and a pad to do damage. Can nobody ever do it like I do it since a young and I've been going hard, I'm the baddest. Everybody from a runaway that I knew in the past call me my city savior. But the people in the class wanna put me in the hall cause of my bad behavior.
I know y'all wasn't fucking with that one yet. MGK just in the booth. Let's go. We go.
I rock with that. Alright. Dude, he doing it. I was actually doing it. That dude look like Proof. R.I.P. Proof. Alright. Some of the stuff people be doing in these videos is stupid to me. But the song was cool. You know, that was heat. Alright, that was heat. I will give me some more stuff to react to like that. Some more of those MGK tracks. This is old stuff, fire. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do that type. We out.